I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Good morning everybody, live from Sierra de Guara. After our last adventures to Iceland, it has been a while since we, 5 hard-working, career-making daddies with a lot of children, went on an epic trip. Parque Nacional de la Sierra y los Cañones de Guara. At dawn, while suffering from headaches from the famous Fermat, it seems that the Guardia Civil de Montaña turns a blind eye, while pretending that the remains of our fire do not exist. During crazy hard adventures, you always forget how much you suffer. It's the good times you remember. Come on, Philly! Where are we going? It seems we have to talk more serious shit with the boys. Are Mikey's legs too strong for his chain? How comes Manu lost his girlfriend? What? He's got already a new one? And Norman, is he getting too old for this shit?
Ja, Michiel.
Also, chicken tikka masala.
Ja.
Een Leo-zak.
Hey, serieus.
Of is het een balzak?
I love lucht. I love some air.
Back to basics!
Leaving the vultures of work and the city, we found ourselves cycling and searching for the real vultures of life. Spooky towns, rocky stairs, crazy downhill, Leo food and an occasional fish are part of the menu. Yes, we love the Sierra de Guara.
Pamulano.
Slowly we start to realize that leaving the beautiful Spanish mountains with their spooky towns, the wild dogs, the friendly inhabitants, the canyons with clear blue water, it is also a process. You get used to this life so quickly. But in the end I think our wives and children will soon put our feet back on the ground.
Ik film niet, hè toch? Shit, ik film dat!
Sam, zeg al fiets vergeten?
Oh mijn god!
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.